A quick celebration for 11th anniversary. Wala talaga kaming plano to celebrate, but napanood namin na may book sale and maganda yung weather, so we thought, why not? All softbound books were 20 pesos and hardbound books naman ay 50. Syempre, hindi na kami nag-expect na in perfect condition yung books since sobrang mura. We got 20 plus books for 600 pesos only. Since nagmamadali nga kami, hindi kami nakapagdala ng extra bag. And hindi naman namin na-expect, ang dami pala namin books na mabibili. After mamili, kailangan pakainin naman ng dading pagod. On the same street, nakita namin itong bun run. We ordered a truffle burger and a double cheeseburger. Pag burger talaga in-order namin, pinapakat namin in half para matikman namin equally pareho yung burger. Kasi pareho kaming pabebe. Pareho kaming, busog na ako, sa'yo na lang to, hindi ayoko na. Kaya cut in half na. Para sa amin, mas masarap yung truffle burger na mas nauna kong nakain, dapat pala hinuli ko na lang yun. And for dessert, ang cheeks ng baby ma-cute. Yan lang.